heat waves engulfing Western and Southern Europe show no sign of abating. Temperature records expected to renew in some countries, and the scorching sun has claimed hundreds of lives and fueled ferocious wildfires.
The record high temperatures that we're expecting and experiencing is not surprising. Climate change is leading to changes in extreme temperature, changes in the number of heat waves around the world, and this is exactly what we're seeing now and living now.
Britain had its hottest day on record on Tuesday, with temperatures exceeding 40 degrees Celsius in some places. The London Fire Brigade declared a major incident after a number of fires broke out in areas around the British capital. Earlier, Britain's National Weather Service, or the Met Office, has issued its first ever red warning on extreme heat, reminding the public that the heat poses a risk of serious illness or even danger to life. The sweltering heat also put the country's transport and medical services to a severe test. According to Spain's health ministry, more than 500 people have died from heat-related causes in the first week of a heat wave when the mercury reached 45 degrees Celsius in some parts of the country.
Es cierto que cada año estamos batiendo récord tras récord. Estamos experimentando un mayor número de olas de calor, una mayor duración y más intensidad, y además cada vez están siendo más tempranas en el tiempo.
A recent report by the European Commission's Joint Research Centre showed that almost half of the European Union's territory and Britain are at risk of drought in July. The rare heat wave and the drought also breed devastating wildfires in countries including France, Spain, Portugal, Italy, and Greece.
Climate change is leading to other very extreme weather events, wildfires in particular. So the impacts of climate change are really broad-ranging for ecosystems around the world, and we have to also put measures in place to adapt our ecosystems, the way we manage our forests, in a way that makes them more resilient to change.